we'll guide you through how to set up your Wix e-commerce platform with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in the Wix dashboard, look for the Create New Site button and click on it. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Online Store to kickstart your e-commerce journey. Wix will then offer you two options. You can let Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, create a site for you, or you can create your site with the Wix editor. For more customization, choose the Wix editor. Now, you'll need to select a template. Browse through the available e-commerce templates and choose one that fits your business style. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Click on Edit to start customizing your template. In the Wix editor, you'll see various tools and features on the left-hand side. Begin by adding your brand's logo and adjusting the site colors to match your branding. Click on Add to insert elements like text, images, and buttons. To set up your store, click on the My Store icon. Here, you can add products by clicking Add Product. Enter your product details such as name, price, and description. You can also upload images to showcase your products. Don't forget to set up payment methods by going to the Store settings and selecting Payment Methods. Connect a payment provider like PayPal or Stripe to enable seamless transactions. Once your products and payments are set up, make sure to preview your site by clicking on the Preview button in the top right corner. If it looks good, go ahead and click Publish to make your e-commerce site live. You can always return to the editor to make changes or add more products as your business grows. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Wix e-commerce platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.